जय हिंद एवरीवन, आई एम शिखा गोगोई। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज है 74 इंडिपेंडेंस डे, जो हम सब के लिए काफी सम्मान और आत्मविश्वास से भरा हुआ दिन होता है। एंड आई विल बी गिल्ट फ्री टू से कि मेरे लिए डबल जॉय का बात है, बिकॉज माय फादर इज ऑल्सो बॉर्न इन द सेम डे 15 अगस्त 1947। तो मेरे लिए तो डबल जॉय एंड आई फील सो हैप्पी टू से इट कि मेरे पापा टू नो 15 अगस्त एंड पीपल विल लाइक कौन सा ईयर है 1947 एंड आई एम नॉट लाइंग, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू से इट। तो आज इस आत्मविश्वास और सम्मान के दिन में हम लोग खेलते एक गेम जिसका नाम है हाउ वेल डू यू नो योर कंट्री। सो टू प्ले दिस गेम आई हैव माय बेटर हाफ विद मी, हर्ष कुमार।
Vande Matram, happy Independence Day to all of you. And this is a day of joy and pride for all of us. I pray that we contribute in the growth and prosperity of the country. This is a very important day for all of us, and we shouldn't forget the meaningful purpose and the meaningful date on which we were served the independence by the British Raj. And it's a very important day for all of us, and we should celebrate it, should remember the sacrifice of all the people, and should look forward with all the contribution that has been made by those people, and should work towards achieving their dreams.
Whoa, good speech. So I have those questions a little tough for him because he reads too much of constitution and modern history. तो थोड़ा सा मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा आसान है, sorry.
The questions have been already made up, so मैं अब change तो नहीं कर सकता.
So let's start. Okay, this is ulta. First Independence Day के eve पर जो मिस्टर पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने स्पीच दिया था, उस स्पीच का नाम क्या है?
It's called Tryst with Destiny. And I proudly can say this was made by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru exactly at 12 AM at Red Fort. My question is कि हमारे फ्लैग में अशोक चक्र है, तो अशोक चक्र ने किस सिंबल को रिप्लेस किया था?
चक्र को?
So it was a चक्र which was replaced. चक्का जो होता है, तो हमारे जो अशोक चक्र ने उस चक्का को रिप्लेस किया था.
Where did current Indian flag originated from?
So this has been adapted by Swaraj flag, which was made by Pinjali Venkaiah. So Pinjali Venkaiah is the name of the person. He was a farmer in Maharashtra, born in Andhra Pradesh, now Andhra Pradesh, and he was the one who has designed that flag for Swaraj.
I feel so proud of this movement also because this is my husband. He knows a lot sometimes. That answer is correct.
Next question for you is कि इंडिपेंडेंस डे की जो फर्स्ट सेरेमनी थी उसमें हमारे महात्मा गांधी जी प्रेजेंट थे कि नहीं थे?
He was alive, so present होंगे, उनके से मिला freedom.
So it's wrong. He wasn't present. So I guess most of you will know it. He was in Bengal. So Mahatma Gandhi ji was in Bengal when India there was a ceremony of the first Independence Day, because वहाँ पे बंगाल में काफ़ी मुस्लिम और हिंदूज की लड़ाई हो रही थी. So he went over there कि उनको शांत करवा सकें, and unfortunately he couldn't attended the first Independence Day, and second Independence Day से पहले we all know कि एक unfortunate event हो गया था, and he couldn't be alive to see that.
नेशनल एंथम कौन से ईयर में अडॉप्ट हुआ था?
Okay, so national anthem was adopted on 24th of January 1950, if I'm not mistaken. This was just 2 days prior to the first Republic Day.
Yeah, you are right, very much right. मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना कि मैंने बहुत गलत क्वेश्चन चूज किए हैं. जिस हिसाब से तुम जा रहे हो ना, आई एम जस्ट फीलिंग कि he will answer it all.
I love my country. I love India.
You love Constitution and you read a lot of modern history.
No, Constitution is a part of country. In fact, I will tell you कि Constitution is the Bible for our modern country. जो हमें Independence Day मिली है, उसके बाद Constitution आई 26 नवंबर 1949 को. वो Constitution को incorporate करा and we adapted it on 26th of January 1950, and इसीलिए उस दिन को हम Republic Day मनाते हैं. So I guess Constitution has a very vast meaning for all of us, for all the Indian citizens, and it is the Bible which give us all the immense power, and at the same time also give us duties which we shouldn't forget at the time of exercising our constitutional rights. So I guess Constitution in itself is complete India.
True Indian and a true lawyer loves his Constitution. I also do.
Okay, so my next question for you is that who was the Chief Justice of India on the first eve of Independence Day? He was also obviously the first Chief Justice of India, if that can make it easy for you. Sorry.
My God, this comes to my reputation of being a lawyer. Honorable Justice Kanya.
What's his first name? Because his son was also the Chief Justice.
You want the
later.
first name also? Chief Justice Harilal?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Oh, I'm a lawyer. I know it.
So it was Honorable the Chief Justice Harilal Kania, and the fact about this is that even later on his son also became the Chief Justice of India.
Again, I'm asking him one more. पाकिस्तान को 14th August को क्यों इंडिपेंडेंस मिला था? Like we got in 15, then why Pakistan was given on 14th August?
Okay, so this was because जो British last viceroy थे Lord Mountbatten, he had to attend both the ceremonies. And वैसे इसकी एक और मैं आपको कहानी बताऊं, 1948 was the deadline year which was given by the British Empire कि आप तब तक इनको इंडिपेंडेंस दे दो इंडिया को, इंडिया एंड ऑब्वियसली पाकिस्तान फिर उसमें से बन गया था एक अलग देश. बट बिकॉज देयर वाज सो मच ऑफ ब्लड शेड एंड इतनी ज़्यादा कम्युनल वॉर्स हो रही थी, तो लॉर्ड जो माउंटबेटन थे उन्होंने भी बड़ी जल्दी जल्दी में इंडिपेंडेंस डे अनाउंस कर दिया. ही वॉन्टेड टू अटेंड बोथ द सेरेमनीज. तो इसी रीजन की वजह से पहले 14 अगस्त 1947 को पाकिस्तान का सेरेमनी उन्होंने अटेंड किया कराची में, एंड देन 15 अगस्त 1947 का उन्होंने अटेंड किया इंडिया में.
मैंने कितना लिखा था मैं बताऊंगी. Mountbatten wanted to attend both the ceremonies. That was my answer.
But that's the correct answer. That's what I also said. वो तो मैं थोड़ा लॉयर हूँ, तो I just have this habit of speaking more.
क्या बताऊं मैं?
अच्छा, this is the very good question. I mean, this is very knowledgeable also. First public hosting of flag, जो हमारे national flag की पहली public hosting थी, वो कहाँ हुई थी?
इंडिया गेट के पास.
Where exactly? इंडिया गेट के पास.
इंडिया गेट के पास पार्क है, पार्क में भी.
It was near India Gate. It was at Princess Park, जहाँ पे आज National War Memorial है. So that Princess Park is the one where first public hosting of the first Independence Day happened.
Just because you give an elaborate answer doesn't mean I don't get a point. Because मैंने आंसर सही दिया, बस the comparison of you elaborating the answers are like.
See, as far as I am winning, I don't even give a damn.
But still, I get that point, ठीक है ना?
Let's give it to her.
Let's.
It's her channel. Let's give it to her.
मतलब जस्ट बिकॉज आपको ज्यादा पता है तो आप ज्यादा बोल रही हो. मेरे को तो आपसे एक वर्ड ही चाहिए ना. आपको पता है तो आप बता रही हो, पर मैं से नहीं हो रहा है तो उसका मतलब मेरा पॉइंट थोड़ी ना काट लो. नहीं यार, तुम मेरे को भी इज्जत करते हो.
नहीं.
सो द लास्ट क्वेश्चन टुडे फॉर हिम इज, एंड आई विश, मतलब ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए, बट प्लीज लूज इट. हु रोट द वंदे मातरम?
This was so too easy. Even if I want to lose it.
My neck is hurting. Give it to me as a present that you don't know it.
Okay, I don't know it.
No, if you know
Vikram Chandra Chatterjee.
Okay, he's right.
Okay, so the last question for you is not for Indian independence, but it's the independence of the Assam which it received from Bengal. So my question to you is, my last question to you is कि असम किस ईयर में बंगाल से उनको इंडिपेंडेंस मिली थी, या उससे बंगाल से वो पार्टीशन हुआ था उनका?
See, I have heard a lot from my father, and I have read also because I read history. I took history in 8th standard for a month. Then I gave up. For a month, obviously 8th standard, because I couldn't really. But because I'm from Assam, I have heard about a lot of Bengal and Assam. Though I am very friendly, I am happy. But then it was partitioned on 1905.
Yeah, that's correct.
So here is the end of our, because question and answer, and I directly lose again and again. Like I keep calling him to my show and keep losing to him.
But I don't think कि कोई आज जीता है या हारा है. आज इंडिया जीता है, and ये भारत की जीत है. That we all are celebrating it today. We all are present, are alive to celebrate the 74th Independence Day of this country, this great country, and we should focus more on contributing to it becoming more empowered country and for its growth.
इसी बात पे आज का वीडियो यहीं पे समाप्त करते हैं और प्लीज hit the like button and comment, and also if you're new to channel, please subscribe to our channel and make us happy, please, and also put on the bell icon for the bling bling distraction, hai na? And until next time, bye bye, tata, jai hind.